Greening up your colder climate garden. Colder climates can be a challenge for gardening enthusiasts, but that doesn't mean you have to give up on your green dreams. With the right strategies and a little know-how, you can still enjoy a thriving garden, complete with aromatic herbs and other delightful plants. In this article, we'll explore how to make the most of your colder climate garden by discussing the steps to start herbs and other vegetation that can thrive in such conditions. Choose cold-hardy herbs. Selecting the right herbs for your colder climate is the first step toward a successful garden. Some herbs are naturally more resilient to cooler temperatures. Consider planting cold-hardy herbs like rosemary, thyme, sage, chives, and parsley. These plants can withstand the chilly weather and often come back year after year. Start indoors. In colder climates, starting your herbs indoors is a smart strategy. You can begin the seeds or cuttings in pots or trays well before the last frost. By the time the weather warms up, your herbs will be strong and ready to transplant into your garden. This approach extends the growing season and ensures a healthy start for your herbs. Provide adequate light. Once your herbs are ready to move outdoors, make sure they receive sufficient sunlight. Herbs typically require 6-8 hours of sunlight a day. In colder climates, you can use cloches or cold frames to protect your plants from harsh winds and provide a bit of extra warmth. Use mulch. Mulching is a valuable technique for retaining soil warmth and moisture. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or leaves, around your herbs to insulate the soil. This helps prevent the ground from freezing too deeply and protects the plant's roots. Invest in greenhouses. For those willing to invest more in their gardening hobby, a greenhouse can be a game changer. Greenhouses provide a controlled environment, shielding your plants from the harshest elements and extending the growing season. Consider constructing a small greenhouse or hoop house to nurture your herbs and other cold-sensitive plants. Companion planting. Companion planting involves planting herbs and other vegetation that benefit each other when placed in close proximity. For example, planting rosemary and sage near your vegetables can deter pests and protect them from the cold. Research companion planting techniques suitable for your colder climate and garden size. Grow perennial herbs. Incorporate perennial herbs into your garden. These herbs come back year after year and are well suited for colder climates. Perennials like mint, lavender, and oregano are not only hardy, but also low maintenance, making them ideal choices for colder regions. Protect from frost. Be prepared for late spring frosts by having frost protection measures in place. You can use row covers, cloths, or even plastic sheeting to shield your herbs from frosty nights. Ensure you remove these coverings during the day to allow sunlight and air circulation. Water wisely. In colder climates, it's important not to overwater your herbs. Soil that's consistently moist can freeze, damaging plant roots. Water your herbs sparingly, and consider using a drip irrigation system to provide water directly to the roots, reducing the risk of freezing. Gardening in colder climates may present some unique challenges, but with the right techniques and plant selection, you can still enjoy a bountiful herb garden and other green delights. Starting your herbs indoors, providing proper light and care, using mulch, and investing in protective measures like greenhouses and frost covers can make all the difference in nurturing your garden. With a bit of dedication and a green thumb, you'll be savoring fresh herbs and enjoying your cold climate garden in no time.